Hi everybody. In this quick video, I'll be going over lesson 66, specifically 66-64 and 66-65. And we're finally in Unit 14, so we're still in Part 4, this time Unit 14. We'll go to Lesson 66. And so this one is a business letter in modified block style. Make sure that you do refer to the reference manual R-5A and B. And then it also says to take a look at R-3B. That's because R-5A and B focuses on multi-page business letters, but specifically the modified block style is going to be on R-3B. So you're going to have to look at both these pages in the reference manual. So when you're starting a modified block style from scratch, and remember we went over this in week 2 for modified block style letters, we have to set our tab stops. And so to do that, we're going to open up your paragraph settings or your paragraph dialog box launcher. You go into tabs, and then the tab stop position is going to be 3.25. You'll click set and then OK. Now on the top of your ruler, you should see that little left tab stop. Make sure that you do not drag it or click unnecessarily up here, as GDP will mark it as incorrect if you're tabbed in the wrong place. Like any letter, remember you always start by pressing your enter key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll then press your tab key 1 time, which indents it to that 3.25 inch mark, where you'll type in the date. We're then going to press enter 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the inside address is going to be left a line here. Okay, and you'll continue typing this just as you normally would. And when you get to this part here, and I'm going to open up the e-text as well so we can see this. This is on page 254. Okay, and there is a numbered list. If you refer to your reference manual, specifically reference manual R-5A and B, it does show you how to format your numbered lists. So I'm going to press enter 2 times. I'll type in 1 period and then a space. That's going to automatically create a numbered list. And I'll type in the first one. So within the next week, send the appropriate citations for all similar trials which you participated. I'll then press enter. That's going to automatically insert the 2 where I'll type in the next one. And I'll finally type the last. Okay, after you type the last numbered list item, you'll press enter 1 time and then a second time. That's going to remove the numbered list, and then you're going to press enter 1 more time. So you're going to have a blank line. in between your paragraph and the last bulleted number. And from there, you can continue typing. And so notice that I also indented sincerely, Gerald H. Fordham, and attorney at law. So all you have to do is to type out sincerely, press tab once, and just like our regular letters, press enter 4 times. You'll type in Gerald H. Fordham, press tab, press enter to get to attorney at law, press tab to move attorney at law over. You'll then press enter 2 times where you'll type in your reference initials. And this one does have an enclosure notation in 66-64, so make sure you type enclosure directly beneath your reference initials. And to remember, this is a multi-page business letter. Whenever you have a multi-page business letter, you need to insert the page number and remove it from the first page. So remember, you'll do that by clicking your Insert tab, going to your header footer, clicking on page number. We can go to top of page, plain number 3. And then in the options, make sure to select different first page. And then you can close your header and footer, save it, and then upload for grading in GDP. Now let's take a look at 66-65. This is a regular business letter in block style where you'll be fixing the proofreader's marks. Make sure you click Start from Scratch. We'll open that up. And for the business letter in block style, you do not need to indent anything. But remember, it is a business letter, so you still have to format it the same way that you would format any letter by pressing enter 5 times at the top before you type out the address. And then you'll press enter 4 times, type the inside address, and so forth. So I've typed it out here. Notice the same format that we've been using for the past few weeks for letters. Nothing's changed for business style letters in block style. We press enter twice after the inside address. We press enter twice at the end of every paragraph. Notice that we do have a space before and after the numbered list. Make sure to have your reference initials. For the copy notation, that goes directly beneath your reference initials. And then because this is a multi-page business letter, we do insert that page number and remove it from the first page. So this is what 66-65 should look like when you're done.